Alright guys, got a car up in the left. The car shakes, high speed shakes, and you can feel the movement in the car, right? The reason is you can have a bad balance, you can have bad tires, alright? You buy brand new tires, it has a lot of thread on it, but it doesn't mean the tire is good, alright? I want to just show you one thing. If you're looking to get new tires can be expired tires. Doesn't have to be, okay, that the tire is just because it looks new and it has a lot of thread doesn't mean it's new, right? So if you're ever buying tires, I want you to pay attention to this number called DOT. This is upside down, so if I hold my camera, it's gonna go upside down. Let me just turn this tire so we can look at it straight. DOT, all right? This number means something, all right? This tire, if you look at the four numbers, on the opposite side of this tire, on the inside, these numbers will be missing, all right? Because only one side indicates it. But you will have this rest of the numbers on the other side. So look on the opposite side if you don't see these four numbers right here, right? This is the date, all right? This tire was made in 2018. The last two numbers are the year, 18. The first two number is the week. So this was made in the 41st week of 2018. That's how you're gonna tell if your tires are old. Even if you're buying some shops, they will put expired tires on your car, and they get it for a cheaper price. Let's say you go to a rim shop, because this happened to me years back. They sold me rims and the tires for $2 grand, but they put expired tires on it. Not expired, but they was gonna be expired in probably 6 months. All right. So pay attention to that date. All right. So this customer, his car, he can feel a shake into it. Right. I'm gonna show you why he feels a shake. All right. He first complained to me he has a vibration on high speed. So we balanced two tires in the front, and the car still shakes. It moves around crazy. All right. Then I took it for a drive. All right. And this tire is good too. All right. So both of these tires are made in 2018. All right. This is also in 18. All right. I'm gonna go on the back two tires. He bought new two tires, and I'm gonna show him why his car is wiggling around and is shaking on high speed. All right, this tire, the DOT, you see this? He got the DOT here, right there, but he doesn't have the last two numbers because they're on the inside. But this is a dry rotted tire, right? Look at that, dry rotted tire. Tire's done. It's expired. This tire's expired. And I'm gonna show you why his car shakes, all right? And this tire is 17. The date on this is 2014. 17th week of 2014, all right? Very old tire. And let's look at it why it shakes, all right? Pay attention to the surface of this tire. Right there, you must have missed it. The camera might not catch it. His tire, the belts are giving up. The tire's out of shape. When I deflate this tire, you're gonna see the real difference, because I'm gonna deflate this tire. Pay attention to the surface. It's supposed to be nice and flat surface. See that? Look at that. Nice and straight. And then you have a donut right there. It's lifting up. So this tire is just making the car bounce. So it will never be perfect, all right? It's gonna make the car move around crazy. When I deflate this tire, you're gonna see it. So let me bring this down, and I'm gonna deflate this tire. I'm gonna take it off first. All right, guys, so these are the two tires I took off. They're deflated, and you can see the head right here, shifted belt, all right? And same thing on this one, right here, all right? And those are the new two tires. So if you're looking to get new tires, make sure you check the DOT, which is right here, right? And these two tires right here, the DOT on this is 2919, all right? That's the year, 19, and the week is 29, all right? So that's how you're gonna tell if you're getting a good tire or bad tire, all right? Very dangerous to have bad tires on your car. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you, and subscribe. Don't forget to share and like all of my videos. All right, guys, I'm done mounting the tires right there, but I'm gonna roll this tire so you guys can see what's going on, all right? So right there is a right there hunchback right there, right? So if this tire moves, you see that? That's the problem there. That's what the car is wiggling, dancing. All right, so there it is. Job done, and this car is not gonna shake anymore. Should be good. All I need to do is balance these 2 tires and put them in the back. If you're buying 2 tires, always put them in the back, all right?